Hey YouTube, I am making this video because I have been experiencing a noise with my truck. I'd say thud or thudding noise as I'm driving slowly on uneven terrain. I normally hear it, of course, at lower speeds. I don't know what it is. I know a lot of people have posted videos that it's probably the drive shaft kind of kicking in whenever you turn on the car or the truck. It's not necessarily that. At least I don't know. I'm not a mechanic. Not sure if anyone else has been experiencing this issue. I even checked to see if my spare tire was loose, because that's exactly how it sounds like. It sounds like the something hitting against something. Not sure. So this is a 2019 F-150. You can tell that I have roughly almost 22,000 miles. I do drive quite a bit. All highway miles, of course. I mean, highway or city, doesn't really matter. They're still miles. Whatever the case is, I'm going to have the AC off. I'm going to have everything off. There shouldn't be any noise other than a little bit of the road noise and on the truck itself. I'm driving around my apartment complex because this is the place where I hear it the most. There are some speed bumps, so the bigger bumps, it's most likely a speed bump, but I will kind of tell you when that little bump happens. I'm going to put you guys in the back seat only because that is exactly where you hear it the most. AC is off and the radio is off. That noise right there. That was a lot of noise there. It mainly happens when I'm kind of shaking the truck back and forth, so I'm suspecting a suspension issue. I don't know. I'm just lucky that the truck's still under warranty. There it is again. Nothing but noises there. Oh, that was a speed bump. More noises there. That was a big one. Another one there. Tons of squeaking there. Another one. More. That's pretty much about it. Big speed bump there. Gonna go ahead and park. Let me know, you guys, if you guys have experienced this, or if you know what it is or what you think it is. I haven't taken it to the dealership, of course, because this is my only vehicle, and you know how they are with trying to replicate something and taking about a week and a half. I don't have the time to not have a vehicle for so long. Get my phone back. Turn my AC here. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Again, those are my miles, all original miles. Got it with 36 miles on it. So yeah, what do you guys think?